In addition to bean annotations and the stereotype annotations, there is also a programmatic way to add a bean to the context, starting with Spring 5. For example, let's create a simple class. Let's create an entry point. And let's create a wizards list. And add 10 elements of this wizards list. Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, Ron Weasley, Draco Malfoy with the Hogwarts houses correspondingly. Severus Snape, Luna Lovegood, Bellatrix Lestrange, Neville Longbottom, Sirius Black. And next we will create a context and add only Gryffindor students to the context. We can do it with the method registerBean from context. registerBean. We can see that we need to specify bean name and a class of bean. Name bean we can get from each object. Dot name. It will be name. And the type itself specify wizard class. And we can see that we must specify some supplier. We can create it here with curly braces. Curly braces we can out inside this parenthesis. So here, and just specify it. We can create a separately supplier and specify it. This method will supply the object of wizard, and just here write our supplier. Okay, this is for register for students, Gryffindor students into context, and now we can get from context of object Harry from its bean wizard. We can write context. Annotation config application context and method getBean with name with this name. We specify its bean's name here from its name, bean name, and just write Harry Potter. And also we need to specify the type wizard and just print it. Make sure that we can get the correct object. And our program throws an exception, the legal state exception. Let's read it. This annotation config application context has not been refreshed yet. Oh, after registering bean, we needed to refresh our context. And run it again. And that's right, our program works well. We can get a wizard of Harry Potter and its house of Gryffindor. Okay. Also we can carry out these suppliers from our lambda expression to here. And here set suppliers only for Gryffindor students. Firstly, we needed to get our list and filter onto only Slytherins, only Gryffindor, sorry. Install it.house equal, we need only Gryffindor students. Okay. We can have a list of wizards with only Gryffindor students, and we needed to transform this list to map with the name of students and its accordingly supplier. Associate and specify its name to supplier with it. And now we can get a map instead of list with a string with name of each student, so each Gryffindor students and the correspondingly supplier of it. And because this is map, we can use it method for each, and to get the map name and its supplier, we can just write two arguments, name and supplier, and use these arguments here without filtering, just register in context. registerBean with name, type of wizard, and supplier of each name. If we run our program, we must get the same result. Okay. In addition to Harry Potter, we can get other students from Gryffindor. For example, Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley by its name. Ron Weasley, and print it. That's right. So you can use this way to registering beans in the context if there is some logic, for example, only Gryffindors. Good job, see you in the next lesson.